Well, your living and dining area has been combined into one L-shaped granite slab. The master bedroom has a window, comes with anti-skid tiles. Hello and welcome to Housey, your favorite online portal जहाँ पे आपको मिलता है बॉटम प्राइस गारंटी। वेल ये कैसे होता है? बहुत सिंपल है। हम करते हैं लिस्टिंग सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ। अनलाइक अदर रियल एस्टेट पोर्टल्स जहाँ पे आप जब करते हैं इंक्वायरी तो आपका नंबर भेजा जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स को और आपको आते हैं मल्टीपल कॉल्स। पर यहाँ पर एट हाउजी आपके साथ करते हैं कांटेक्ट डायरेक्टली डेवलपर क्योंकि हमारे पास करते हैं लिस्टिंग्स सीधे डेवलपर्स। वेल दैट इज नॉट ऑल, देयर इज अ लॉट अबाउट हाउजी दैट यू नीड टू नो। For that, you need to follow me into this project जहाँ पर मैं आज आई हूँ। This is Godrej Greens और यहाँ के हैं 2 और 3 BHK के sample flat variants। Well, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा ज़रूरी ये है that this project is ready possession। If you can see behind me, ये सारे के सारे आपके amenities almost ready हैं। The swimming pool, उसके exactly पीछे अगर आप देखेंगे that is the gymnasium और यहाँ पर जहाँ पर हम खड़े हुए हैं ये है आपका क्लब हाउस जो कि रेडी है। और भी काफ़ी कुछ है। You can also see all the towers जो कि already ready है, ready for possession. Well, what you need to do is check out the sample flat. Actually, sample flat नहीं, actual flat, the flat where you will move in. So you need to follow me into the sample flat. चलिए चलते हैं। Time to take a look at the 3 BHK apartment, which is of approximately 840 square feet. Let's walk into the house through this aisle area. Well, here we enter into the house and right at the entrance, there is pretty good space for your shoe racks and storage units. In fact, there is a lot of space even behind the door for your shoe racks and storage units. Well, your living and dining area has been combined into one rectangular space so that there is more space and less dead space. This is your balcony that comes with the living area and is covered from all 3 sides and comes with an iron railing as well. With great ease of access is the kitchen over here that comes with an L-shaped granite slab and with your wash basin at the end. It also has a dry balcony or a utility area as you can call it, which comes covered from 3 sides. On the top they have also provided a clothes drying hanger. Well, from the dining area we enter into the common bedroom. Now this common bedroom, it doesn't have a balcony, but it does have a good space for your wardrobes and it also has an attached toilet and bath to it. The toilet and bath comes with these standard CP sanitary fittings, anti-skid tiles and on the top provision for your water heaters and geysers. It also has this window which is half partially fixed and half of it is sliding. Well, that allows an ample light because the window size is pretty big, I must say. So these are all thoughtful things that have been done by Godrej, just like the thoughtful things that have been done for you by Housey. Just like this one, an online video tour of your favorite properties that you need to see before you finalize the house that you want to buy. Well, once you do that, you would also want to see how does the house look like at a 360-degree angle. So we bring to you 360-degree tours of every property that we visit. And then you also need to know what are the positives and the negatives of the property. So we bring to you the pros and cons of every property. खैर ये होने के बाद आपको ये जानना जरूरी है कि प्राइस डिटेल क्या है। अगर आप EMI लेते हैं, लोन लेते हैं तो आपका EMI कितना आएगा, पोजेशन कब होगा, मेंटेनेंस क्या होगा, ये सारी चीजों के लिए all you need to do is download the e-brochure mentioned in the link below. Well, after that you need to also go and see the property. For that, you can book your property visit in just 2 clicks and all of this brokerage free. Click now, register yourself on Housey. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go and see the rest of the house to follow me. Well, from the kids' bedroom, we come into this common aisle area which has a toilet and bath also to it. So now this toilet comes with anti-skid tiles and has on the top provision for your water heaters and geysers as well. Well, this is just a toilet area because this is a 3 BHK and the rooms have their own attached washrooms. So let's take a look into the rest of the house. This is another common bedroom over here which comes with another space. I feel this space can be utilized for a wardrobe. In fact, it's a very good place for a study table as well if you need one. Now here they have also placed windows. Now the windows have been placed on a corner so that there can be cross ventilation. One of the window opens in a French style and the other two are sliding. This is also half fixed. Let's take a look into the rest of the house. Well, again, coming back through this foyer area, we come into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a window in one corner and a balcony at the other corner so that there is cross ventilation. Here is the attached toilet and bath to the master bedroom. It comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. On the top, there is also provision for your water heaters and geysers. Well, one thing that I noticed is the bedroom balcony is really big as compared to the living room one. Let's take a look at it. So this one, the width is actually bigger than the bedroom width. And it also comes partially covered from one side and is partially open from one side. Comes with these really strong iron railings and half of it is cement. Well, this is very good because in case you have kids playing around or pets, they don't throw things out. Not just that, now I want you to also take a look at the amenities from here. As I said earlier, your swimming pool is ready, your gymnasium is ready. This is the garden area that you can see over here, the play area that is also prepared already. So these are the ready possession flats that are ready with Godrej Greens, and you need to come over here, check out this property, register yourself on Housey and do that very quickly. Thank you very much. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the 3 BHK apartment of Godrej Greens located in Undri, Pune by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.